Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make a free FAQ page using Google Forms. Google Forms can be used as a simple and free way to create a frequently asked questions page that anyone can access online. To get started, open Google Forms and create a new blank form. Add your FAQ title, give it a short description, and start adding some frequently asked questions. Make sure to configure each question by clicking on it and choosing the drop-down option you want to use. To add a new question, just click on the plus icon on the right side and enter your question. Then click on the drop-down and select how you want the question to be displayed. You can also add a section by clicking on the section option on the right. Once the section is added, you can give it a title and a short description. When your FAQ is ready, click on the Publish icon and then click on Save. Next, copy the responder link by clicking on Copy Responder Link. You can share this link on your website, social media, or email so users can easily view the FAQ. And that's it. We just learned how to create a free FAQ page using Google Forms and share it using a public link. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.